Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I want to give a shout out and a thank you to everybody who participated in our recent virtual Blythe retreat taster, the first one that we've ever done. As you may or may not know, my sister Tapping Flamingo and I, she also has a YouTube channel called Tapping Flamingo, Terry Jeanette. We hold a virtual Blythe retreat every summer around June. So we hold the retreats every June, and this June 2025 we are already planning. We usually have it in the middle of the month. We don't have an exact date for the 2025 one that we're doing. We do know it will be in June, and we do know it will not be on Father's Day weekend this time. Lesson learned, all right? But anyway, I just wanted to show my little grunge girls. Our virtual Blythe Retreat Taster was a free event that we hosted. It gave you a taste of workshops, and a big part of a typical retreat is our workshops, and those retreat workshops tend to have some sort of thematic connection. And so ours for the taster was grunge fashion. So we had 7 workshops that published between September 1st and September 7th, 2024. They are all on our channels. Tapping Flamingo has her doll ones that have, what is it, the necklaces, this really cool pull charm. Okay, don't fall over, Chico. This really cool pull charm and these earrings. All right. This chick's wearing a necklace too. I put them on 2 different dolls, but you could layer them. She showed you how to layer them on the dolls. And so she has those videos on her channel. And then my videos were how to make stockings, a mini skirt, a little grungy t-shirt, and then a knit cap. And the patterns and supplies list are available on our virtual Blythe Retreat Buddies group on Facebook for free. So if you join a Facebook group, you can pop over there and then go over to the file section and download those free PDF files. I have Rune here because she's a grunge chicko, so she had to pop in here and just say hello, by the way. So some people have tweaked these outfits here, these patterns, and made them for other dolls like Barbie. Also, I've seen them take this top, Terry did it, and quite a few other people followed suit, and lengthen it and make it into a dress. So super cute, very easy to follow. Thank you everybody who participated. And even though we're wrapping it up as far as the workshops go at the end of the week here, I wanted to pop on and say, you know, the month of September, you still have the month of September or even then some to share your grunge pictures with us and your grunge fun over on the Blythe Doll Buddies group. And if you have a YouTube channel, of course, feel free to go ahead and post a video. A few people have already been posting their videos, and we really appreciate that. It's really helped to kind of get the word out. And that's the whole point of having this taster, is just to get people a taste of it, you know. Some people aren't really sure if they want to participate or not. They're not sure. They think maybe it's going to be really hard to do the sewing. But we do try to have kind of a variety of levels as far as projects go, but a lot of what we do are simple projects because we all like immediate gratification. Even if you're experienced, there's nothing wrong with doing some simple crafting once in a while. But also, if you're new, if you're like somebody who wants to learn some basics as far as sewing goes, these type of patterns and projects are really a good way to introduce yourself to crafting and sewing for your dolls. All right, guys, thanks so much for stopping by. Please give this a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Did you join us for the Blythe Grunge Taster this time? Did you like it? Is there anything you would like to suggest in the future? We are open to suggestions, and we'd love to hear your comments. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.